Did you know that cabbage is not only delicious but also incredibly good for your health? In this video, we'll explore the surprising health benefits of cabbage and why you should include it in your diet. First and foremost, cabbage is packed with essential vitamins and nutrients. It's an excellent source of vitamin C, vitamin K, and fiber. Vitamin C boosts your immune system, while vitamin K is crucial for healthy blood clotting. Plus, the fiber content aids in digestion and promotes a healthy gut. Cabbage also contains powerful antioxidants that help protect your body against harmful free radicals. These antioxidants can reduce inflammation, improve heart health, and even lower the risk of certain cancers. But that's not all. Cabbage is also a great weight loss food. It's low in calories and high in water content, making you feel full without consuming excess calories. Additionally, it's a natural diuretic, which means it helps rid your body of excess water weight. Furthermore, cabbage is rich in sulforaphane, a compound known for its anti-cancer properties. Studies have shown that sulforaphane can inhibit the growth of cancer cells and even help prevent the formation of tumors. Now, let's talk digestion. Cabbage is known for its high fiber content, which promotes healthy digestion and reduces the risk of constipation. It also acts as a natural detoxifier, aiding in the removal of toxins from your body. Lastly, cabbage is a budget-friendly and versatile vegetable. It can be enjoyed raw in salads, steamed, stir-fried, or even fermented into sauerkraut. There are endless ways to incorporate cabbage into your meals and reap all its health benefits. So, there you have it, the surprising health benefits of cabbage. Remember, adding cabbage to your diet can improve your immune system, promote weight loss, and reduce the risk of various diseases. Start incorporating this incredible vegetable into your meals and experience a healthier, happier you. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful content.